On this video, we'll go over how to add a new feature to your Windows computer. Depending on the Windows computer type that you have, you may have different features. For example, in my case, I have Windows 10 Pro. So if you have Windows 10 Home, for this video specifically, you won't be able to find this option as Windows 10 Home is not supported. But Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, and Windows 10 Education will be supported. Anything below Home, like Windows S, will not work. So uh, the purpose of this is to install a hypervisor that comes with Windows 10 Pro or higher for free included with the operating system. So to enable that, all you have to do is go to Control Panel, and then depending on your view here, you may have to switch between um, the category or large icons. With category, you just have to click Uninstall a program. If you have large icons, scroll all the way down and then click Programs and Features, and they will both bring you to the same place here. Here we want to click Turn Windows Features on or off. Then the one I'm looking for specifically is the Hyper-V feature. Right now I don't have any. I just want to select them and then click OK. This is automatically going to start installing the Hyper-V features. So right now, if I look for them, I don't have anything under Hyper-V, but this is going to be installing it. Depending on the feature that you're installing, it will also require a reboot. So just like this one. So once I reboot the computer, I will resume the video to show you that the feature was indeed installed. Okay, so it's been a few minutes, my computer restarted, and um, you can now search for the feature that you tried to install. So in our case was Hyper-V, so I have the Hyper-V manager and the Hyper-V Quick Create, which is part of the manager. So if I open this, here's my Hyper-V, and this is my computer name, which would act as the host. If you would like to create a virtual machine that, let's say, you're going to use for school and you want to keep your school applications and your personal applications separate, this is a way that you can do it. You can download the operating system that you want to use, um, or you can do the quick create here and choose one from the list. Hopefully it has what you're looking for. Otherwise, you're going to have to get it, or you can alternatively import a virtual machine if you've already had one created using Hyper-V from another computer. Anyways, that would be it for this video. Thank you for watching and subscribe.